Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to see the contact info of a seller on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Craigslist.org website right here if you haven't already, and after doing that guys, go ahead and log into your Craigslist account. If you do not know how to log into your account guys, what you have to do is go ahead and click this account button right here in the upper right corner. So guys, go ahead and click on account and this will take you to the next page where you can either go ahead and enter in your account info such as your email and password to log in, or if you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and create a new account and sign up for one. So guys, after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Craigslist website, as you can see, where you can see all the categories of the products that you can buy and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to find the contact info of a seller on Craigslist. So the first thing we have to do is go ahead and find the seller we want to see. So let's go ahead and find an ad right here guys. Let's go ahead and find anything we want. I'm going to go ahead and open up the farm and garden group right here, and now it's going to go ahead and load up. I'm going to go ahead and find an ad. Let's say I want to contact this seller right here that is selling this product. Let's go ahead and open up the product guys, and now after opening up the product, it's going to go ahead and look like something like this. You'll be able to see the image and the location right here and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to get the contact info. So guys, all we have to do to be able to get contact info is just go ahead and click this reply button in the upper left corner. Guys, go ahead and click on reply, and after clicking on reply guys, it's going to go ahead and require us to complete a captcha. As you're going to go ahead and see, yeah, it says to select an image containing a panda. This is just to reverse all the bots that are trying to access the info, so you just have to confirm you're human. As you can see, after doing that, it's now going to go ahead and open up this new menu where you can see the contact name is Lois guys. So Lois is the contact name, and you can click on email right here to get their email with which you can go ahead and contact them and ask them any info that you might need. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.